Over the last few years, we've seen municipalities across the province use municipal speed cameras as nothing more than a cash grab. Drivers across the province have received tickets for going just a few kilometers over the speed limit. And the worst part is, people who are issued a ticket don't know how to fight it or make their case. As municipalities have seen how easy it is to make a quick buck by installing new speed cameras, more and more cameras have been set up across Ontario. Enough is enough. In a few weeks, our government will introduce legislation to ban speed cameras in Ontario to protect taxpayers and drivers and stop them from being gouged. Instead of punishing people retroactively with speeding tickets days or weeks after the fact, we're supporting practical, proactive traffic calming measures that stop people from speeding in the first place. That's the best way to protect taxpayers and protect our streets and communities.